Okay, let's talk about the weather. You know, it was snowing. I'm at a high elevation, and then once again, I said,
right?
Not again. But we're just at the beginning of what is going to be a snowstorm to come, right?
We are, yeah. So the lowlands, this is going to be a brief hit of snow as it pushes through tonight. Colder air in place right now helps to support the snowfall. Then it starts to change over to rain really quickly. Out along the coast, it's warm enough that it's going to stay rain the entire time, and a little more wind starting to kick up with the system. You can start to see some of those waves crashing on the rocks at Westport. Now, the snow's still on the ground in patches at Everett, but we are going to put down a little more into the first part of the night again before we start to melt a lot more of it away with a ton more rain behind it. But up into the mountains, Snoqualmie Pass, it looks dreary, it looks snowy and just completely whitewashed. Well, we are going to see a lot more of the snow here over the next day or so. So traveling tonight across the passes, or really either tomorrow, not going to be really advised all that much. Friday's probably going to be looking a little better. Tomorrow it does warm up a little across the mountains where we'll get those snow levels up around 4,000 feet, but still some icy conditions up there. Again, not going to be advisable. Plus, the avalanche risk is going to go up as we go into late tonight and into the day tomorrow with higher winds and those temperatures rising just a bit with the heavier snowfall falling down on some of the powdery snowfall that we have underneath. Well, we do have advisories out for the lowlands along the Olympic Peninsula coast, Hood Canal, foothills of the Cascades, and then also the San Juan Islands. Starting up right now and going all the way until 2 a.m. tomorrow. Up to 3 inches will be possible there. Now we're going to keep the colder air in place for just a bit longer here across Whatcom County. This is going to be a winter storm warning until 4 a.m. and up to 6 inches could be possible as we really start to see the moisture lift northward into the night. Across the mountains, again, going to be a big snow producer, 1 to 2, possibly 28 inches of snow could be around. Snow levels around 1,500 feet. And then we have a flood watch out, which is going to be combining with the heavier rain and also the snow melting from some of that rain beginning to melt with the warmer temperatures. Could produce some flooding as we go on into tomorrow, and we'll keep an eye out for maybe some landslide areas as well. 36, mostly cloudy skies, northeast winds at 10 miles per hour in Seattle. Starting to notice some of those showers moving in, but above the freezing point at 36. 38 in Renton, 34 in Shelton, right now at 36 in Arlington. Here's the moisture. It's beginning to track over, and you'll see that, yes, we are starting to see that rain snow line beginning to inch closer and closer now to Olympia. So we'll see this spread out just a bit more over the next few hours with the snow before that rain takes on over. But definitely seeing a lot more moisture ahead. So on into about 7 or 8, we see that snow take over briefly. Again, not going to be accumulating much, maybe some slushy accumulations near Seattle and Everett, but then we'll see the rain come back, and that will start to melt a lot of it away. Up across Whatcom County, this is 2 a.m., still dealing with a lot more of the snow, and then that starts to change over by early tomorrow morning with a ton of rain still yet to come, all those yellows and oranges indicating all the heavy rain that we still have ahead as we go into the day tomorrow. Amounts of snow for the lowlands, 1 to 2, perhaps up to 6 inches that you get across the islands. And then as you go into tomorrow and into early Friday, we're talking about a ton of rain, between 1 inch to maybe 3 in most spots, maybe even a little higher in others. We'll warm up tomorrow, though, with the rain. 49, getting close to 50 there. 45 on Friday. It looks like some lower 40s around for the weekend, but more sunshine by that time, Greg, before more light off and on showers will be around Monday and Tuesday.
Get that
Did you say sunshine?
Out of here on Saturday. What are you talking about? Come on now.